Hello, and today, me, Mr. Sasquatch, and Supa L.J. are trying out chocolate cicadas. Hold up yours. Yeah, hold them up.
Okay, so this. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
I don't know. Are any of you allergic to seafood?
No.
I don't think so.
Okay. Hey, because if you're allergic to seafood, then you cannot eat cicadas. So let's eat. It just tastes crunchy. That's all I really taste.
I taste the wing.
I think all I taste is the chocolate.
It's crunchy chocolate.
Yeah.
Wings.
Gonna eat my second piece.
I do not regret my decision.
It just kind of, like you said, crunchy chocolate.
It is.
And I like chocolate, so it's good. What are your thoughts, Hunter? Is it good?
The wings taste disgusting. It tastes like really thin paper. It's really chewy though.
It's chewy and crunchy at the same time.
Yeah.
I didn't really notice any chewiness. Maybe I didn't get a wing or something.
Well, then you're lucky because they feel weird.
Here. Help me find one with a wing. Hang. Paper in here. Does that have a wing?
Looks like.
Okay.
Try it on the side.
Start on the side. Yeah, that's a fragment of a wing.
Yep. Just taste that wing, man. Don't you feel it?
It just tastes kind of crunchy to me.
Probably because you're used to eating all this gross stuff.
Yeah, it just tastes crunchy. To me, it's just crunchy chocolate. And I like it.
Well, if you ever eat cicadas, you can know from us. We're professionals.
What's the inside look like?
Bite a chunk, and then
All that.
you probably shouldn't label this.
Look at all that wing.
So overall, it was pretty good. So, I hope you enjoyed it.
As always, stay squatchy.
Yeah. Subscribe to Supa L.J. and Mr. Sasquatch.
Yeah.
Chicken?
And
I don't know. People usually have a parting phrase.
And if you like the video, then
Hey, look, you can get the close up inside the cicada because I just ripped off its butt.
Anyway, if you like the video, hit the like button because that's what it's for. And subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And subscribe to these guys if you want to see more of their content.
I don't have content yet, but okay.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.